let's talk about a star so strange it might make you question your entire understanding of the universe. Meet BD plus 203076, a celestial object that has astronomers scratching their heads and scientists debating like it's the final episode of The Big Bang Theory. This isn't just any run-of-the-mill star. It's more like the eccentric cousin of the cosmos who shows up unannounced and throws everyone off balance. Imagine if the sun had a twin, but that twin was a cosmic enigma wrapped in a nebula. BD plus 203076 is located in the constellation Lyra, which might sound familiar because it's home to Vega, one of the brightest stars in the night sky. But here's where things get weird. BD plus 23076 isn't just another star in that neighborhood. It's more like a cosmic ghost town with a few strange inhabitants. This star is so dim and faint that you'd need a telescope to even spot it, which makes it feel like the universe is playing hide and seek with us. Now, here's the kicker: BD plus 203076 isn't just any old star. It's actually a binary system. That means there are two stars orbiting each other. But wait, that's not all. One of them is a white dwarf, which is like the skeleton of a once mighty star that has long since burned out and collapsed into a dense, hot remnant. The other is a red dwarf, which is smaller, cooler, and more stubborn than your average teenager. Together, they form a cosmic duo that's as mysterious as it is fascinating. But what really sets BD plus 203076 apart is its unusual behavior. It doesn't just sit there quietly. It's like the universe's version of a party crasher. This star has been observed to emit strange bursts of light and energy, which scientists are still trying to figure out. Some think it might be related to the white dwarf's magnetic field, or maybe even some kind of cosmic dance between the two stars. Either way, it's like watching a magician perform without knowing the tricks. Except in this case, the audience is the entire universe. So why should we care about BD plus 23076? Well, because it's one of those rare celestial objects that challenges our understanding of how stars work. It's like finding a puzzle piece that doesn't fit and then realizing the whole picture is different than you thought. This star has become a focal point for astronomers trying to unlock the secrets of stellar evolution and the strange phenomena that can occur in binary systems. And honestly, who wouldn't want to be part of that mystery? Alright, let's talk about BD plus 23076, because if you're not already confused, you will be. This star isn't just any ordinary star. It's like the universe's version of a party crasher that shows up uninvited and starts flashing lights in the middle of the night. Instead of shining steadily like your average sun, BD plus 23076 flickers so fast it's basically doing the cha-cha with light, and no one knows why. Imagine if your favorite disco ball started blinking at a speed that would make even the most seasoned DJ lose their rhythm. This star is like that, but in space. Now, here's where things get even more bizarre. BD plus 23076 isn't just flickering. It's also putting out way more energy than it should. Think of it as a cosmic overachiever who somehow manages to run a marathon while eating a whole pizza. Scientists are scratching their heads because this star is emitting so much light and heat that it shouldn't even be possible based on what we know about stars. It's like if your neighbor suddenly started a laser show in the middle of the night, and you had no idea they were into that kind of thing. But wait, there's more. BD plus 23076 isn't just strange for its flickering or energy output. It also behaves in ways that defy our current understanding of astrophysics. It's like if a physics textbook suddenly started talking about quantum mechanics and then decided to throw in some jazz music. The star doesn't follow the usual rules, which means scientists are left trying to figure out what's going on. Kind of like when you're trying to solve a puzzle that keeps changing its pieces. So why is this happening? Well, one theory suggests that BD plus 23076 might be surrounded by something called a dust cloud, or maybe even a magnetic field that's messing with its light. But honestly, no one really knows for sure. It's like trying to figure out what's inside a black box when the only thing you can see is a blinking light and some strange energy readings. And if that doesn't sound mysterious enough, imagine being the scientist who has to explain this to your friends over dinner. In short, BD plus 23076 is like the universe's version of a mystery box, full of surprises, confusing scientists, and making them rethink everything they thought they knew about stars. It's not just strange, it's downright weird, and that's what makes it so fascinating. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember that somewhere out there, a star is doing the cha-cha with light while throwing an energy party that no one invited. So, you're probably thinking, wait a minute, this star flickers faster than my internet connection during a Zoom call? Well, you're not wrong. BD plus 23076 is one of those stars that's got the whole astronomy community scratching their heads because it blinks so fast. It's like watching a disco ball in a strobe light party. But here's the kicker. This flickering isn't just random. It's happening at an incredibly high frequency, which makes scientists go, what's going on? Now, you might be thinking, is this star being haunted by some cosmic ghost or something? No, not exactly. The flickering could be due to magnetic activity, like the sun's sunspots, but way more intense. Imagine if your favorite light bulb had a temper and started flashing every few seconds because it was mad about something. That's kind of what BD plus 23,076 might be doing, except instead of being annoyed, it's just flickering. But wait, there's another theory that's making astronomers go, whoa. Some scientists think this star could be a binary system in disguise. You know, like two stars dancing around each other so closely that they're basically sharing the same space. If one of them is a white dwarf or something even more exotic, it might be causing the other to flicker like a strobe light at a rave. It's like if your neighbor had a really loud party and you could see their lights flashing through your window. Then there's this wild idea that BD plus 203076 isn't just a regular star. It might be something completely different, like a pulsar or even a black hole in disguise. Pulsars are these super-dense neutron stars that spin so fast they emit beams of light like a lighthouse. If BD plus 203076 were a pulsar, it would be the ultimate party crasher, flashing its lights at us every few milliseconds. But how do we know? Well, scientists are still trying to figure out if this star is just being weird, or if it's hiding some cosmic secret. So, in short, BD plus 203076 is like that one friend who always has a story about their weekend and never stops talking. It's flickering so fast that we're still trying to understand why. Is it magnetic? Is it a binary system? Or is it something even more bizarre? The answer might be out there, waiting for us to look closer, and maybe even laugh at the weirdness of it all. So, here's the thing about this star, its energy output is like a cosmic prank. It's not just putting out light and heat like your average sun. It's doing something completely different. Scientists have been scratching their heads for years trying to figure out why this star is emitting so much more energy than it should be based on its size and age. Imagine if your favorite coffee machine suddenly started brewing espresso without you even pressing the button. It's like that, but in space. The star's energy output doesn't follow the usual rules of stellar physics. You know how stars are supposed to burn fuel over time, getting dimmer as they age? Well, this one is acting like it's on a sugar rush, spewing out more energy than expected. It's like if your favorite superhero suddenly had unlimited power and didn't need to recharge. Except in this case, the universe is confused. One theory suggests that this star might be hiding something inside its core. Maybe there are exotic particles or strange elements that we haven't even discovered yet. Think of it as a cosmic mystery box. Every time you open it, you find something completely unexpected. Scientists are like detectives trying to solve the case of the missing energy, and they're not sure if it's a trick of nature or an error in their calculations. Another possibility is that this star is interacting with something else in space. Maybe there's a hidden companion orbiting it, or perhaps it's being influenced by nearby cosmic phenomena like black holes or dark matter. It's like if your favorite song started playing on repeat without you pressing play. Something weird is going on behind the scenes. What makes this even more bizarre is that the star's energy output isn't consistent. Sometimes it flares up, and other times it goes quiet. It's as if the star has a mood swing, and we're just trying to figure out what's causing it. Scientists are using advanced telescopes and simulations to try and decode its behavior, but so far, no one can explain why this star is acting like a cosmic rebel. Alright, so we've got this star called BD plus 203076, and it's basically like the universe's version of a mystery box. Scientists have been trying to figure out what's going on with it for years, and honestly, they're still scratching their heads. Some say it's just a regular old star acting up, but others think there's something more going on here. You know, like maybe it's got some serious magnetism going on, or maybe it's part of a binary system that's been hiding in plain sight. Let's start with the magnetic theory. Some scientists believe BD plus 203076 is a magnetic star, which means it has an extremely strong magnetic field. Now, don't get confused, this isn't like your fridge magnet. These magnetic fields are so powerful they can influence the behavior of nearby matter and even affect how light travels through space. But here's the kicker. We're not entirely sure if this star is actually magnetic or if it's just acting like one because of some other weird cosmic trick. Then there's the binary system theory. You know, those pairs of stars that orbit each other like a dance duo. Some people think BD plus 203076 might be part of such a pair, but we haven't been able to spot its companion yet. Why? Because it could be hiding in the shadows or maybe even emitting so little light that we can't see it with our current telescopes. Imagine if your best friend was right there beside you, but they were wearing a black cloak and had no lights on. Would you even know they were there? But wait, what if none of these theories are correct? That's where the wild card comes in: unknown astrophysical processes. Scientists are starting to think that BD plus 23,076 might be doing something completely new, something we've never seen before in the universe. It's like finding a creature that doesn't fit into any known animal category. Maybe it's a mix of a jellyfish and a dinosaur, or maybe it's just something entirely different. So what does this mean for us? Well, it means that our understanding of stars is still evolving. Every time we find something strange like BD plus 203076, it reminds us how much more there is to learn about the cosmos. It's not just about finding answers. It's about being open to the possibility that the universe might have some secrets up its sleeve that we're not ready for yet.